There are some additions to the chat program that you should be aware of before working with live chat for Answer First sales. As you remember, when the chat arrives on your screen, you will press F9 to begin the chat. After selecting your name from the drop-down box in the browser window that opens, you will tab, and then you will be connected with your chatter. Please maximize that window. When you're looking at the chat screen, you will see the chat box here where you can send information to your chatter. Below that are the send message and clear message buttons. Below that, we have a drop-down box that have two selections, new lead or existing customer. Your selection here will determine the questions that are displayed for you to ask. If you are in doubt, please choose new lead. Below that, we have the question fields. The first one is first name. Below that, we have last name, company, phone, and email. Next to each question field is a button that says Send Question. When you press this, it will pop up a box that says, do you want to send, and then whatever the question may be. In this case, since the chatter has already supplied their first and last name, we don't want to ask those questions again, so we'll choose no. And we'll skip down to the company field, and we will send that question to our chatter. And we'll choose yes, and then this question is automatically sent to them. In the meantime, while we're waiting for them to answer that question, we can go ahead and type in the name that was given to us by going to those fields. When the chatter responds with information for us, we can utilize copy and paste by highlighting the field and then choosing Control C and go over here and choose Control V. Copy and paste is not as reliable in this program because it is constantly updating. So if you find that you're having trouble with it, just go ahead and type in the information that was provided to you rather than trying to copy and paste it. We will go ahead and thank him for that information, and then we will go to our next question, which is for the telephone number, asking for the chatter's phone number so that we can reach them by phone. When they have supplied us the information, we do want to try to thank them and then go ahead and ask our next question so that we can have them answering the question while we're entering their information that they gave us previously. So here we'll try to copy and paste again, and it's not going to cooperate. So we'll just go ahead and type in that phone number in the phone number field. And in the meantime, the chatter has supplied the next piece of information. So we'll try to copy and paste that. And that didn't work, so we'll just back that out and we will type it in. Since that is the last piece of information that we need, we'll go ahead and send our closing statement, which is found with the button at the bottom of the chat screen. And that question is our standard, is there anything else I can help you with? And we'll go ahead and send that to him and then go ahead and complete that field for the email and put in jsmith@testing.com, which is the email address that he provided to us. The chatter has indicated that they don't need any additional information, so we will just go ahead and complete that chat. Complete button, then we will select yes in the confirmation box, and then we will choose wrap up chat, and we will X out of the browser, which takes us back to our script. We click next, and then we were back on our account, and we will press F4.